The ticking clock on Mia's phone matched her racing heartbeat. She stared at the barren plot of land she'd bought 6 months ago. Could she truly build a home in weeks? Modular homes promised speed, but doubt whispered in her ear. She hit play on the timeline video her contractor had sent. The first week flew by in a whirlwind of decisions: floor plans, materials, and color palettes. The factory construction began concurrently, precision machines carving her future with robotic accuracy. Weeks 2 through 5 saw walls rise in the factory. Each module, weatherproof and insulated, felt like a building block of Mia's dreams. Watching the daily updates, her anticipation grew. The modules were ready, but storms delayed transport by a week. Her patience were thin. In week 7, cranes lifted the modules into place like pieces of a life-sized puzzle. In a single day, her home took shape. By week 8, workers were adding the final touches: roofing, electrical, and plumbing. The empty plot was now a house, almost ready to become a home. By week 10, Mia stepped inside. Smooth floors, clean walls, and sunlight streaming through her windows welcomed her. What had started as a ticking clock had transformed into a countdown to her dream.